In this video, I'm going to show you how to view locked folder on Google Photo 2023. So if you don't have it, just go ahead and download it on any app store that you have. So mine, I already have it. So just open that one. And then on the bottom menu, tap on Library. At the top menu, tap on Utilities. And scroll it all the way down. And you will see at the bottom locked folder. Just go ahead and tap that one. In here, you'll be needing to use your pattern or use your fingerprints to open that locked folder. And that's it. That's how to view locked folder on Google Photo. So I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.